Stir-fried lotus root with green onions. Prep time 5 minutes. Cook time 5 minutes. Yield 5 to 6 side servings. Description: Stir-fried lotus root with green onions is a classic Chinese stir-fry dish that makes for an excellent vegan side dish at your dinner table. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 clove garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon ginger, grated, 3 lotus roots, peeled and cut into thin slices, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup water, 1/4 cup green onions, chopped, 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Instructions: heat oil in a large frying pan. Sauté garlic and ginger until fragrant. Add sliced lotus roots and salt. Pan fry over medium heat for 1 to 2 minutes. Add water. Continue to fry for 5 to 8 minutes depending on your less time equals more crunchy.
Add green onions and sesame oil and fry for 1 more minute.
Optional: sprinkle sesame seeds on top and serve.